Did you know that most headaches and migraines actually stem from neck problems? When your cervical vertebrae are misaligned, they create tension on the nerves and blood vessels connecting to your brain, triggering those painful headaches. Cervical adjustment therapy works by realigning these vertebrae, instantly relieving pressure on the occipital nerves and restoring proper blood flow to the brain. Many patients report experiencing immediate relief from tension headaches after cervical adjustments, with improvements in both frequency and intensity of their symptoms. Why mask your pain with medication when you can address the real cause? One simple cervical adjustment could be the solution you've been searching for.